Hello everybody, welcome back. On this video, we're going to be exploring a common calculator error that can be used when you use the strategy GRT. So hopefully you've seen the previous GRT calculator strategy videos and you're up to date. If you are, then you're perfectly ready to check out some of the calculator errors that you might see if you try to use this strategy on a state test. And one reason we're making these videos, guys, is because nobody likes to see error when they're on a test. No one likes to see that. We need to get rid of those errors and be able to move along with our state test. Okay. Again, this isn't a substitute for learning algebra. The truth is, the best way is to learn algebra, but this is a good emergency way to get out of trouble if you need to check some stuff. Okay, so first I'm going to look for keywords, just like always. What is the value of x for the equation y equals 7/5 x plus 3 when y equals negative 25? Now, if I see those three things, those three keywords, remember in the previous video we said, well, it looks like they're making a trade. They want the value of x, which is this number right here, and they gave me the value of y, negative 25. So I see that I can make an ordered pair, and I have the equation. I need that too. And now I know that I can use the strategy GRT. All right, in this problem, they did not give me multiple choice. I've just got to write an answer here. That's common on the test. I'm sure you have all seen on state tests. Some of the choices are what they call griddable. Griddable, there you go. Sorry, my pen is acting up here. Okay, and but that's fine. We can still get an answer from the calculator, and we'll just put it right here. Okay, so of course our answer is going to be the number that comes out on this left side on the x. Okay, so let's get this done. All right, we're going into the calculator, and we're going to do GRT. So first, to start a new problem, we press Control-N. And of course, like always, G stands for graph. That's choice 2. Then we delete the equal sign, and R stands for relation, which is choice 6. Now I'm going to copy in my equation. Y equals 7/5 x plus 3. Okay. Y equals 7/5 x plus 3. I put enter, and now you can see I have my line and my equation. Hopefully you've started getting used to the little hand moving things around so you can see more clearly. Okay, so now, again, just like I always review, I've seen the keyword graph, I've seen the keyword relation. I have not seen the keyword trace yet, so please don't get stuck. You haven't finished your strategy yet. You've got to do trace. All right, so here we go. Menu. Trace is number 5, and when we're inside trace, we always choose number 1, which is graph trace. Okay, and right now I see the blue X. The blue X reminds you that you are supposed to hit enter and then escape. Okay, now I see my ordered pair, and I'm going to move it so I can see it more clearly. And right here, I can see that the y has to be negative 25. So right here, I'm going to double click on the 3 until I get this little box. And I'm going to put here negative 25. Okay, and there it is. Okay, somehow or other, oh no, I have an error. Okay, so we cannot move the point to the requested location. I wonder what we can do about this. Well, guys, the secret with this error is that you see down here, the very lowest y that the calculator can see is negative 6.67. Negative 6, or almost negative 7. Almost negative 7. So if I look at my problem, negative 25 is far lower than that. And that's basically the issue. The issue is not an error, really. The issue is that the calculator cannot see the answer because it's off the screen somewhere. It's off the screen. And it's trying to move that dot to a spot that it cannot see. So we need to help it see. All right, so in order to see a spot that's out here somewhere, we need to zoom out. So this is very easy. So to fix this error, again, this error right here, if I was to put -25, I would see this error. To fix this, you're going to zoom out. Menu. Zoom is option 4, right there. And then once you choose option 4, you're going to go into zoom out, which is also option 4. Okay, once you've done that, you're going to see a little magnifying glass. I like to go right in the middle with the magnifier, and you're just going to press enter 1, 2, maybe even 3 times. I'll try 3 times this time. Okay, so let's see what happens. To get out of the magnifying glass, you must leave the magnifying glass. You have to press escape. Okay. Now I'm going to return to my ordered pair, and now that I've zoomed out, everything should be fine. -25. Press enter. Aha, there it is. You see, now it can see that point. Now we're well within the boundaries of that point. So -25 and -20. Now, of course, if I had zoomed it out and it still gave me the error, guess what I would do? I would zoom out even more and even more until I stop getting it. So don't get frustrated, just keep zooming out. Eventually it will get there. So my answer here should be -20. And that is what I'm going to put right here. And there you go. That's it. Correct. All right, guys, in the next video, I'm going to show you what to do if it gives you a decimal, but all you see on the test are fractions.